Right, talking of dosbarth, I've got some very interesting trivia for you yn y gyfres yma am enwau llefydd. Place names.
Enwau llefydd. It's a difficult word, that is. Enwau llefydd.
You will have heard of all these places, I'm sure.
Pretty sure, yeah.
Wyt ti'n barod?
Fi'n barod, Cariad.
It's all about the Aber today.
Aberystwyth.
Exactly.
Aber.
Right, edrych ar hon. Aber. Yeah. So Aber actually means, do you know what it means? Because there's lots of Abers in Wales. Yeah, very nearly. Not the actual river, but the mouth of a river. Yeah? So like almost like the estuary, you know, where a river joins the sea, or where two rivers join, a smaller river joins a bigger river. Yeah? So Aber.
Yeah. Aber.
Okay.
Aber.
So you've got Abersoch.
Abersoch.
The mouth of the river, Soch. Aberdyfi.
Aberdyfi.
The mouth of the river Dyfi.
Dyfi.
Aberystwyth, the mouth of the river. Ystwyth, iawn.
Ble mae Aberdyfi?
Aberdyfi, wrth Dolgellau.
Dolgellau.
Iawn?
Gogledd.
Gogledd, well, yeah.
Yeah. Tim bach.
Yeah.
Dolgellau.
Anything north of Llanishen is Gogledd.
Gogledd fi. Yeah.
Iawn te. So that is the mouth of a river. Now, nesa, new English word for me, a confluence.
Confluence?
You know what a confluence
is?
I've
never heard of a confluence before. Is that where posh people go and they all meet in like a nice hotel and they meet around a table and they learn new things? Is that it?
Not a conference, a confluence.
Oh, okay. It's close enough.
Da iawn. Okay. So it's where an Afon Fechan joins an Afon Fawr. A small river joins Afon Fawr.
Oh, nice.
Confluence.
Confluence.
Iawn. So these are named after confluences. Iawn.
Wow.
So Abercraf.
Abercraf.
So Craf is the small river.
Yeah.
And it joins the confluence into the Afon Tower. Abercynon.
Yeah. Oh, I have teulu yn Abercynon. Yeah.
Wel, dyna ni. Wel, Cynon ydi enw'r Afon Fechan, the name of the small river that joins the large river.
Right.
Nesa, Aberdâr.
Aberdare.
Aberdare.
Yeah.
Dim problem, iawn.
Yeah.
So these three are examples of that. Okay. Iawn. Nesa. Descriptive. Disgrifiadol, okay? Descriptive wedyn. Abertridwr. Aber. Tri. Dŵr.
3 dŵrs. 3 waters.
So we're 3 rivers
No
join.
way.
Abertridwr.
Okay. Da iawn Abertridwr.
Abergwyn Gregin. By me.
White.
Gwyn, white.
Gregin.
Ar lan y môr, Cregin.
Crabs?
No, shells.
Shells.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
White shells.
White shells.
White
yeah,
shells.
the white-shelled.
Oh, that's quite nice.
A cymer. Cymer is the Welsh word for confluence. Yes, so it's another word for Aber.
Okay.
Yeah?
Da iawn.
Diddorol?
Diddorol iawn, actually, yeah.
Dipyn bach o wybodaeth ychwanegol, i chi?